Okay, girls, come on. It's time for school.
Yes, Mom. Yes, Mom.
Don't forget your gifts for Nellie.
I have them.
And have a wonderful time at the party. Oh, Mary, you forgot your hat.
Oh, thank you, Mom. I'm sorry. I was so forgetful. I'm just so excited.
Have a wonderful time.
Albert! Albert! Hurry up! Just a minute. Get to school! I forgot to get the raisins on. Good morning, Willie. Good morning, Nellie. Are you excited about the birthday party later? He is very excited. You are? I'm not. No. Just gonna be wow. We gotta be outside, everyone. Come on, you guys. Everyone, come outside. Yahoo! Yay! Yep. Make sure nobody's chasing anybody.
Okay, cut.